Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, July 26th, and I'm here with a long video with lots of great stuff in it for you. The first one is that this is the Take Flight quilt, and it was very popular, and now we have kits back in stock again. So if you're interested in making this quilt, I think it's a perfect quilt for anyone really, not very gendered. And it's really, really beautiful. These fabrics are so gorgeous from Northcott. So these kits are now back in stock. And again, that's called Take Flight. Next up, we have 3 different kits to share with you today. This is a portion of the Nutty Quilt Kit by Tula Pink. This is about 1/4 of the quilt kit. So Linda made just a part of it, just so you could see how adorable it is. And that border is so great. I love that little leafy border. So this is a portion of the quilt kit. This is what the entire kit looks like. And it comes with 14 5/8 total yards of fabric. So if you look in the side there, it's got all those great fabrics that Tula Pink is known for. Look at that. That's so nice how it's all put together. And again, this is a living version of about 1/4 of the quilt. Next up, we have this one, which you have probably seen in the background of our shop videos for a while because it's been hanging on the windows. This is one of Riley Blake's Table Topper Kits of the Month. And now this kit is here. This kit is designed by Jay Wecker Fresh, and it is the September kit. So this one has been very popular. People ask about it a lot, and now it is here in stock. So if you're interested in grabbing one of these kits, I think it would be perfect to decorate your sewing room walls if you have walls that you can put things on, because in my sewing room, things can get kind of crowded. Now, let me grab my paper, and then we're going to show you a bunch of white on whites. Let's see. This is Quilters Flower by Henry Glass. So you're going to have to come in. We've put paper behind all of them this time, so hopefully you can see the design without waiting on me to push paper between them all. Quilters Flower 3 is a collection of pigment white on white ground designs. The prints contain swirls, florals, textures, and paisleys in different sizes and much more. Like there's one of those big paisleys. This range is great for background pieces or when you need some quiet in a busy quilt. We call this Quilter's Flower because it is as necessary to a quilter as flour is to a baker. So again, we have a ton of these, so I'm just going to keep talking through because we do have a lot to show you. Let's see, where is my notes about my other talking points? Today is voting day in Cary and in Wake County. So if you are a town of Cary, North Carolina resident, you do have something to vote on. There are town council positions to vote on today. And then if you're a Wake County resident and you happen to be Democratic or unaffiliated, you have a sheriff's candidate to vote on. So please be sure to go to the polls today. It's definitely our duty, I believe, as Americans to do our job. Even when it's just little primary runoff voting, it's still voting and it still matters. And the other thing I want to let you know, oh, sorry, did you get to see that one? The other thing I want to let you know is we are now just started accepting, oh, look at those cute butterflies. That is so adorable. Just started offering memberships on our YouTube channel. So for a very small membership fee, these are the things that you will get. You will get a live chat bee meeting with me once a month where you can ask questions and answers, and we'll talk about what we're working on. And, you can kind of pick my brain on things if you want. We'll also have a members-only exclusive discount for the Notion of the Month. And if you become a member of our channel, you also get fun little emojis to add to your comments, as well as a star next to your name every time you comment so that people know that you're a membership participant. So I imagine there'll be other extra content like things I'm working on at home or exciting things that are coming up in the shop, maybe special membership sales. So if you're watching us on YouTube, you can just hit the membership button that you'll see along with the subscribe button right near the video, I think at the bottom of the video. And if you're watching us on Facebook and you'd like to join for that extra content, just hop on over to YouTube and search for Cary Quilting Company. Two more in here. Oh, that one's very pretty. It almost looks like hydrangeas, I guess. That's fun. Or maybe Queen Anne's lace. And one more. Let's see, this one I'm going to push the paper in a little more just so you can see it. Tiny little design. That looks a little reproduction-ish. So our short bolt sale continues for the second day today. If you're local and you haven't had a chance to come and check it out, we have brand new first run yardage, some of which is the same yardage we have in the main store for $7.20 a yard. If you are not local and you would like to participate, you can call us and we will try to walk you through what's available over in the meeting center. And maybe we can work out something on FaceTime or some way that we can sell to you. And I'm sorry that it's not online, but putting 1,000 bolts online just was a little too much for us at this time. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.